सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 132, Shloka 21. मेघांशरूपमुदकम् तुषाराकारसंस्थितम् तत्र खप्रतिबिम्बोऽयम् नीरत्वादनुमीयते. Having completed the Sangraha teaching briefly through the Chitrapata Drishtanta, now Vidyaranya has entered the Vistaraha, the expansion through Akasha Drishtanta, the space example, for the arrival of Jivatma Paramatma Aikyam. How that Chaitanyam is of fourfold. One Chaitanyam alone appears as fourfold ways. From Vesti angle, two types of Chaitanyam. From Samashti angle, two types of Chaitanyam. Only one Chaitanyam but appears as four. From micro angle, two. From macro angle, two. From micro angle, that Chaitanyam is confined to the body-mind complex. That Chaitanyam is called Veshti Chaitanyam. Tvampada. That means Veshti means Tvampada, the Jiva, individual level. Once you understand that individual level, Kutasthaha and Jivaha, Kutastha Chaitanyam plus Jiva Chaitanyam. Then total level, again macro level also, Chaitanyam is of two types. Two types as it were, because of Upadhi. Brahma Chaitanyam and Ishvara. Brahma Chaitanyam is total Adhara Chaitanyam. Ishvara is Abhasa Chaitanyam at total level. Abhasa means reflected Chaitanyam. This is very abstract to understand, so he gave the example Akasha Drishtanta. You understand the Akasha, then easily you can understand Darshtanta. How he presented the Akasha Drishtanta. Ghata Akasha, Ghatastha Jala Akasha. Ghata Akasha means that space which is available in the pot, called Ghata Akasha. In that Ghata Akasha, there is water. In that water, when you keep outside, the space along with stars, it reflects. Jala Pratibimbita Akashaha. Jala Pratibimbita Akashaha and Ghatakasha, both are how many miles away? Ghatastha Akashaha, original Akasha. Already Space is there in the pot. Ghatastha akasha, you can take it as original space, which is already there before the water is coming inside. Ghatastha akasha, you take it as original akasha. After pouring water, when you keep outside that pot, that jalam has got a capacity, the transparent. It is transparent. Because of that transparent power, that jalam can reflect the akasha, the space. You can see the akasha along with stars. Sabhra nakshatraha. Along with stars. That is called jalakasha. That is called abhasa akasha. I am introducing Adhara Akasha, Abhasa Akasha, so that you can understand when I come to Dashtanta. Adhara Akasha is called Ghatakasha. Jalakasha is called Abhasa Akasha. Both are very close. One and the same locus. Ghatakasha is also in the pot. Jalakasha is also in the pot. So there is no distance. So Adhara Akasha and Abhasa Akasha both are together mixed. Then once you mix here, Ghatakasha loses its importance or significance. That is important here. Ghatakasha loses its importance. We focus on only Jalakasha. Jalakasha can be formed because of Jala. Jala can exist because of Ghatakasha. We don't remember. Clear? The reflected Akasha is able to be formed because of water. Water is able to exist because of pot space. Otherwise, how can water exist? How can that reflected space can be formed? How can that nakshatras you can see? But tragedy is what? Ghatakasha, original Akasha, no market. Okay, no demand. Ella duplicate the demand. Jalakasha, Abhasa Akasha, duplicate Akasha, reflected Akasha. Is it real? No use at all. Only experientially it is available. But Ghatakasha is useful. You can pour water, you can pour milk. Ghatakasha is useful. Whereas this Jalakasha is no use at all. Just to see, that's all. You got the point? Okay. Having said this, he has gone to Mahakasha in the 28th shloka and 21st shloka. Just as you have understood now Vyashti level, Ghatakasha, Jalakasha, may you understand total level also. Akasha Drishtanta. Mahakashaha madhye, Mahakashasya madhye, yatu meghamandalam ikshate, pratibimbataya. Mahakasha is the total space. In that total space, Mahakasha, there are clouds, water-bearing clouds. In water-bearing clouds, what is there? Water-bearing clouds, what is there? Water. Megha Akasha is ready to pour rain. They are black, carrying their heavy weight, it seems. Black clouds, Megha, is that in which water is there, in what form? Tushara. Tushara means what? Like a spray form, like a particles form. It is not in liquid form. It is not crystallized, uncrystallized. If it is crystallized, you will get rain. For that crystallization only they use that some machines, that way before the clouds are going, they want to make water crystallize and get rain here. And that helicopter goes and do something. Nothing work, that is different thing. They put some powder something to make that tushara into crystallized. Then we get rain. Before that, clouds are leaving from that place. That means water-bearing clouds have got water. Since water has got transparency, in that Megha Jala also must be what reflection? Akasa reflection must be there. That is what in 22nd first sloka we were seeing in the last class. How can you know that there is Akasha in the Megha? How do you know? Are you seeing that like Jalakasha in the pot? Akasha, Ghatakasha, you are seeing Jalakasha. Can you see that directly pratyakshena? No. Vidyaranya says, Anumiyate. Meghamsha rupa mudakam. Meghamsha rupa mudakam. Mudakam means water. Water in what form? Meghamsha. In the clouds. As a particles it is there. Tusharakara samsthitam. Samsthitam means it is there. It is residing. Samsthitam. In what akara? Tushara akara. In spray form, particles form. Tatra, in that cloud. Khap pratibimbaha ayam neeram. That water, neeram means that water in the cloud. Khap pratibimbaha. Khap pratibimba means reflecting the akasha. Kha means akasha. Pratibimba means reflection. Akasha is reflecting there. Neeratvat. Because water is there, therefore space is already there, all-pervading space. All-pervading space is there, so that space must reflect in the water. What is the vyapti? I said that vyapti is megha jalam akasha pratibimbavat or pratibimbavan. Megha jalam akasha pratibimbavan. There is akasha pratibimba in the megha jala. There is reflected space in that cloud water. How? Jalatvat. Because there is water, jalatvat, ghata jalavat. Ghata jalavat. Just like pot space water, pot water. How you translate in English? Megha jalam should have reflection. Megha jalam should have reflection. Reflection there. Megha jalam should have reflection there. What reflection? Space reflection. Megha jalam should have space reflection. Because hetu, because that is also jalam. Megha jalam is also jalam. Because that is also jalam. Exactly like jalam in the pot. Exactly like jalam in the pot. Megha jalam should have space reflection there. Because there is also jalam, water. Exactly like pot jalavat. Pot water. Exactly like the jalam water in the pot. This is the meaning of what he said, that reflected akasha in the cloud compared to what? Ishvaraha. Megha jala akasha is a reflection. Total level. Samashti akasha is mahakasha. Samashti pratibhimbita akasha is meghavachinna akasha. Clear? Samashti akasha is called mahakasha. Meghavachinna akasha is called pratibhimba akasha or meghavachinna akasha. That akasha enclosed in the megha. Drishtanta. clear. Meghavachinna Akasha is the comparison for Ishvara. Mayavachinna Chaitanyam Samashti level. Just as Meghavachinna Akasha, you know through what? Anumanam, inference. Inference borrowed from Tarka Shastra. Anumanam is the term used in Tarka Shastra. So that word we use from the Tarka Shastra, Anumiyate. Similarly, Ishvara also Anumiyate. No. Ishvara is not Anumiyate, Pramana Siddham Ishvara. Because Anumana is not the Vedantic word. Therefore, Ishvara, Drishtanta is Akasha, Meghakasha, Samashti, Pratibimbita, Akasha, Meghakasha, compared. Ishvara, Brahma Chaitanyam, Ishvara Chaitanyam, Samashti, Brahma Chaitanyam is like Mahakashavat. Samashti, Brahma Chaitanyam is Mahakashavat, total space. Samashti level. Then Akasha, Pratibimbita Akasha, Meghavachinna Pratibimbita Akasha at Samashti level, Drishtanta. Chaitanyam is Dharstanta. There what you have to take? Ishvara. There Meghakasha, here Maya. Maya is there in that the Chaitanyam is reflecting. That Chaitanyam which is reflecting in the Maya total level is called Ishvaraha. Pramanena, Shastra Pramanena avagamyate. How do you know? Have you seen Ishvara is there in Brahma Chaitanyam, total Chaitanya? Where you got that information? Have you seen with your eyes? No. Shastra Pramanam. We should not say Anumiyate, that there Meghakasha, Tushara, Meghakasha is inferred. Therefore, contrast is what? There we have to comparing Ishvara. Ishvara Anumiyate, Meghavat, Meghajalat. Appadi sollakudadu. Shastra Pramanena avagamyate. We rely upon Shastra. Shastra is the Pramanam. Ishvara exists. How do you know? Otherwise this creation and all happening. Therefore Shastra says, like the example. So, revision. I hope you got the point again. Now come to first topic, 22 to 103. First topic, Jiva Kutastha Vivekaha. Two vesties. Or two vesties na vesties. Two vesties na. To Vyashti means micro level, Ghatakasha, Jalakasha, Ghatastha Jalakasha, like that. Now you have to come to the Arshtanta, 22 to 103, topic, first topic. I gave those topics already in the last class? No. Okay. 22 to 103. 22nd shloka from that 103, first topic, Kutastha Chaitanya, Jiva Chaitanya Vivekaha. Discrimination between Kutastha Chaitanyam and Jiva Chaitanya. Then second topic is from 104 to 209. From 104 to 209, Brahma Chaitanya, Jiva Chaitanya, Ishvara Chaitanya, Vivekaha. Brahma Chaitanya, Ishvara Chaitanya, not Jiva Chaitanya. Jiva na Veshti. Brahma Chaitanyam and Ishvara Chaitanya Vivekaha. From 104 to 209. Second topic. How much elaboration is going to happen, you see. Then third topic is, so Vyashti Samashti, separately you have to do Vichara. Tvampada, Kutastha and Jiva Chaitanyam. Tatpada, Brahma Chaitanyam and Ishvara Chaitanyam, Tatpada Vichara. After doing Vichara up to 209, from 210 onwards, up to 246, Third topic, Bhagatyaga Lakshanaya, Lakshyartha Kutastha Chaitanyam, Lakshyartha Brahma Chaitanyam, Aikyam, Asipada Vichara. 210 to 246. Just as in Bhagavad Gita, first 6 chapters Tvampada Vichara, middle 6 chapters Tatpada Vichara, last 13, 14, 15 chapters Asipada Vichara. Like that he is doing here. 22 to 103 Jiva Kutastha Vichara, Viveka. Then 104 to 209 Brahma Ishvara Vichara. Then 210 to 246 Asipada Vichara or Aikyam. Lakshyartha Kutastha, Lakshyartha Brahma Chaitanyam are one and the same. Then Gatti Madam Abboda Varum. Okay. Now let us enter into 22 Kutastha Vichara. Kutastha Jiva Vivekaha. 22 Shloka. Adhishthānataya deham dvayavachinna chetanaham kūtavan nirvikārena Sthitah kūtastha uchyate. Chetanaha. Chetanaha means Chaitanyam. Brahma Chaitanyam. Original consciousness. What is this original consciousness? Dehadvaya avachinnaha. That Chaitanyam which is available in micro. Avachinna means micro. Avachinna Chetanaha means micro consciousness. Micro consciousness. Where is a micro? Don't go to microscope. Okay, you are the microscope. Micro means in this Dehadvaya, Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Avachinna. Avachinna means as though enclosed. Avachinna means conditioned, enclosed. Here you have to take avachinna means micro consciousness. Avachinna chetanaha. Dehadvayavachinna chetanaha. That Chaitanyam which is available in these two bodies, Sthula Shariram and Sukshma Shariram. Where is Sthula Shariram? இதோ இருக்கேனே உட்கார்ந்தே இதுதான். Where is Sukshma Shariram? In the same Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram is there. So here Chaitanyam is there. How is that? Adhishtanataya. As substratum. Adhishtana Rupena. Adhishtana Rupena. As substratum. Just as now he is comparing that Chaitanyam which has got the name what? Kutastha. When that Brahma Chaitanyam is available in this body, it has got what name? Kutastha Chaitanyam. Just as you have given the name, the space available in the pot, you have given name, what name to that space? Ghatakasha. Akasha, when it is available in this pot, you gave a name to that space. What? Pot space. Pot space. Now, in pot space, what name you have to give? Dashtanta. Kutastha. Who is Kutastha? Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam who is available in this Shariradvayam, Dehadvayam. Pot. Okay. External pot, internal pot, rendu pot kulla ukkaarndirukkaar Chaitanya. Just as you have given the name Ghatakasha to that Akasha available in the pot, now you give the name to the Chaitanyam Kutastha. Where is Kutastha now? Here only. He says in the second line, Kutavat nirvikarena sthitaha. This Chaitanyam, which is available in these two bodies, in your own body, is sthitaha. It is there, remaining. How? Nirvikarena, changelessly. Vikara rahitena. Nirvikara means changeless. Nirvikarena in the manner of non-changing principle. Nirvikarena, itham bhavi. Nirvikarena. Kutavat means like kutam. Kuta means anvil. Kuta means anvil. In footnote also he has given, I also explained many times previously, Kuta means pattarai and Chulvana, Tamil. Pattarai. One word I am learning Tamil. Pattarai. Kutam and anvil, that blacksmith used that. When you see, when they are constructing a building, they have to put iron windows and all. There they prepare that lot of iron rods they keep and they turn the iron rods, curves, designs, whatever way they want. How they turn that now? They put one hard, they keep one iron piece they keep with wood there, without moving, without changing. And they put these rods and all, they turn. In the person and the rod itself, have you seen that? I have seen. You take the long rod and fold it and go there and turn to that. But in that anvil, that won't move. It is changeless. The upper rods, they are moving. He moves along with that. Have you seen? That's Kutam. Okay. That Kuta won't move. Anvil won't move. If both moves, it cannot be useful. That's why it is steady. Nirvikarena. Even cobbler, the person who is stitching the chappals, shoes and all, he keeps one iron rod like something he keeps, very heavy weight. It won't move at all, very steady. Upon that, what he is hammering. That's slippers, stitching and hammering. And a lot of iron pieces that they use in the adi, they go on doing. Like that, Kutavat. So what? Like that, this Chaitanyam is Kutavat Tishtati Sthitaha. Therefore, that Chaitanyam is called Kutastaha. Now you understand why Chaitanyam, which is available in the two bodies, getting Kutastaha. Kutavat Tishtati Sthula Sukshma Sharire Tasmat Kutastaha iti uchyate. Therefore, Chaitanyam is called Kutastaha. In 12th chapter also, we saw that Prakritistohi Kutastha, Kotavat Tishtati, Kutastha iti, there it comes. I will tell you when that comes. Next portion it is going to come. So, Kutastha name, how you got another, he has explained now. How Kutastha Deha Dvaya Avachinna Chetanaha Adhishtanataya, changelessly, like that anvil is there, therefore it has got the name Kutastha. So, micro Adhara Chaitanya. Adhar card and Swardapo. Adhar card. Adella Adharame illa. Idu Adharam. I hope you all of you got Adhara card. I am sannyasi, I don't have any Adhar card. I have only one Adhara. Bhagavan Adharam, Brahma Adharam. Okay. Adharam. Why? Now we'll see the next one. Who is this Jiva? Now Kutastha Jiva Viveka we are doing. Now we have understood who is Kutastha. దేహావచ్ఛిన్న చైతన్యం అధిష్టానతయా తిష్టతి కూటవత్ తిష్టతి తస్మాత్ కూటస్థః. బై హార్ట్ శ్లోక. ఓకే, అప్పుడే నెక్స్ట్, హూ ఇస్ జీవ? Now this is very important topic for us. Okay, people always think jiva travels. Who is this jiva? This is the beautiful sloka available. Understand who is jiva. 23. Kutasthe kalpita buddhihi tatra chit pratibimbakah प्राणानां धारणात् जीवः संसारेण सयुज्यते. Kutasthe means that Chaitanyam which is Dehadvaya avachinnaha, upon that kutastha adhara chaitanye in artham. Adhishtana vyashti adhara chaitanye. Yaha kutavat tishtati saha kutastha chaitanye tasmin buddhihi kalpita. Buddhihi means buddhi. Buddhi means buddhi. Okay, mind, antahkaranam. Kalpita means superimposed. Buddhi is made out of sukshma bhutani. Can you see buddhi? You cannot see. Why? It is made out of sukshma bhutani. Since you cannot see bhutas, 5 elements which are sukshmam, subtle, therefore their product buddhi also you cannot see. So this buddhi is superimposed upon that kutastha. Buddhi is superimposed upon. Kalpita means superimposed. Kalpita word is used, is reserved by Shastra to say it is mithya later. And the kalpita word, it is reserved. Why reserved? Reserved seat, tomorrow somebody is going to come and sit. Naturally, reserved seat, somebody come and sit. Tomorrow who is going to sit? Mithya. Mithyatva nischayam, we are going to do that. That's why kalpita word carefully Acharya used. Mithya anartha. Pratibimbita chaitanyam. Kalpita buddhihi. That is vyavaharika satyam anartham. Vyavaharika satyam. Tatra means sukshma buddhau. Tasmin sukshma buddhau tatra chit pratibimbakaha. Chit pratibimbakaha. Kutastha is who? Chaitanyam only. Chaitanyam only has got the name who is available in the Sthula Sukshma Sarira. There is a buddhi. So this Kutastha Chaitanyam reflecting in the buddhi. Chit pratibimbakaha. Buddhau chit pratibimbakaha. The chit is reflecting. In Ghatakasha, reflected Akasha we are seeing, Similarly, in this buddhi is like a jalam. Buddhi is jalam. Where is buddhi? Buddhi is in Kutastha. Where is jalam? Ghatakashe. Ghate and Cholakudad. Ghatakashe. Jalam is in Ghatakasha. Buddhi is in Kutastha. Where is Kutastha? Of course, pot body. There in pot, water is, space is there. In that space, water is there. In this body, Kutastha is there. In that Kutastha, Buddhi is there. Buddhi is compared to what? Water. In that Buddhi waters, who is reflecting? Kutastha reflecting. Okay, Chaitanyam is reflecting. Chit Pratibimbakaha. Kuschitarte alparthe kaf pratyayaha. Pratibimbakaha means kaha indicates inferiority. That pratibimba is real or unreal? Unreal. Just as Jalakasha is unreal, similarly this pratibimba Chaitanyam in the buddhi is also unreal, inferior. That is why kaf pratyayaha. Chit pratibimbakaha. So what? Now only our story is coming. Prananam dharanat jivaha. That Pratibimbaka Chaitanyam alone, which is in that buddhi, is called Jivaha. Appa. Period discovery, the invention. Who is Jiva? Jiva is none other than that Pratibimba Chaitanyam. Where? In the buddhi. Which buddhi? Which buddhi is in the Kutastha. Kutasthe kalpita buddhihi tatra chit pratibimbakaha jivaha iti uchyate. Why he is called jivaha, chit pratibimba? Reflected consciousness in the buddhi. Why it is called jivaha? Because prananam dharanat. That jiva word is given to pratibimba chaitanyam because Jeev Pranadharane. Derivation. Jeev Dhatu, the verbal derivation. Jeev, Panini Sutra, Pranadharane, that which holds prana, 5 pranas, is called Jivaha. Pratibimba Chaitanyam holds the 5 pranas. Dharana means holding, keeping. Jivaha, that which holds pancha pranas within the body. If the Pratibimba Chaitanyam choose to go away, prana also goes away. So Chit Pratibimba remain as long as it remains, prana will be there. If it wants to go out, prana also go out. So who is holding the prana inside? Jiva. Why? Jiva is the one who holds the prana. Jiva prana dharane. Who is that Jiva? Chit Pratibimba. Pratibimba Chaitanyam. So Pratibimba Chaitanyam, which is called Jiva because it holds the prana. As long as that Jiva is there, that is Pratibimba Chaitanyam is there, who is known as Jiva, so long prana will be there. Jivaha. Samsarena saha yujyate. That Jiva, Pratibimba Chaitanyam, he is associated with samsara. Yujyate means associated with. Pranadharana Jivaha. Samsarena saha. Saha means the vyavaharika jiva. Chidabhasa with all sanchita agami prarabdha karma rupena. Chidabhasa with sanchita agami, that is called hammering. Okay, no? Sanchita agami prarabdha, changing, transmigration. Upon what? Kutastha, that hammer which adikranalyo, and the sukha, dukkha, karma, phalam. Samsarena saha yujyate. Pranadharanat jivaha. So RC is called jivaha. Simple. RC is called jivaha. Whatever holds the pranas in the physical body or subtle body is called jivaha. Whatever holds 5 pranas in the subtle body is called jivaha. In the physical body and subtle body. Without subtle physical body, you cannot call as jivaha. That is traveling and we cannot see. Jiva cannot be seen. Jiva to form, it needs a gross body. To enjoy Sukha Dukkha. To enjoy Sukha Dukkha, it needs a gross body. That is why Jiva is only suffering through the body. Through the body. As long as karma is there. Once karma exhausts over, then Pratibimba Chaitanyam Jiva quits. Pranas go away. So Pranadharana Jivaha. So Prakritisthani Karshanti. That sloka. 12th chapter Bhagavad Gita. Prakritisthani Karshanti. Dehasthitani Karshanti. That pranas which are there in the body. Prakritisthani Karshanti. Takes away and goes away. Chit Pratibimba goes away. Jiva goes away. Next shloka. Jalavyomna ghatakashah यथा सर्वस्थितो हितः तथा जीवेन कूटस्थः सोऽन्योन्याध्यास उच्यते. So Prarabdha decides this Jiva how long it has to stay in the body. Prarabdha, karma, decides the Jiva, Pratibimba Chaitanyam, how long it has to stay within the Sthula Shariram. That much time the Jiva holds prana. That much time the Jiva holds prana to exhaust the Prarabdha. Once Prarabdha is over, then the Jiva says, now your body is not necessary for me. Prarabdha is over. Now I will quit this body. Later I go and search for another body. Because Sanchita is there. Another Prarabdha is sitting ready. So it has to enter into another body. Okay, idella Ajnani story. Okay, that's why my story annas therimo mystery in artham. My story is mystery. His story is history. History enna his story. My story is mystery. Unless you study Panchadashi, 6th chapter, my story is mystery only. Now we are trying to unfold the mystery. What? My story. 24. Jala Vyomna Ghatakashah. Now, here only the drama begins. We have understood Kutastha Chaitanyam, Jiva Chaitanyam. Nannadana irukke enna problem anna? Problem is, just as you miss the Ghatakasha, you lose sight of Ghatakasha, you take Jalakasha as real. Like that, he see, Jalavyomna Ghatakasha. Jalavyomna means that Akasha which is available in the Jala. Ghatakasha Tirohitaha. Tirohitaha means conceited, covered. As it were. You cannot cover actually because Jalakasha is dominating. You are seeing only Jalakasha, your drishti is only on Jalakasha. And the Ghatakasha ki drishti pomatingiradhu. You cannot see with your eyes, but you have to recognize. Remember, Jalakasha cannot be formed without Ghatakasha. I have to focus, divert my attention from Jalakasha to Ghatakasha. Yatha Jalavyomna Ghatakasha Stirohitaha. Tirohitaha means covered, conceited by Jalakasha. What is conceited? Ghatakasha. Ghatakasha, pot space is as though covered. As though covered means we don't recognize, we don't notice it. Because our attention is dragged towards Jalakasha. Not only that, there are nakshatrams, adivere, stars. All stars are twinkle, twinkle, little star. And you are attracted to stars. That's why local stars we are attracted. That's why anywhere cinema star is coming, means the whole crowd goes there. That is why any function they call cinema actors. And the stars, when the Akasha, Jalakasha, stars are twinkling, they are attracting. That attraction is the cause for your diversion from the Ghatakasha. Putrananda, Putriyananda. All are the cause for diversion from Kutastha Jnanam. Okay. Tatha. Drishtanta over in the first line. Tatha. Similarly. Yatha, you understood? Yatha jalavyomna ghatakashaha tirohitaha. Because jalakasha, ghatakasha are in one place or two places. Pot space and water space, both are in same, in one pot. Similarly, Kutastha Chaitanyam and Buddhi Pratibimbita Chaitanyam, where are they? One locus. Deha Dvayavachinna Chaitanyam Kutastha. Kutasthe Buddhi Kalpita. In that Buddhi, Chit Pratibimbakaha. That Chit Pratibimbakaha Pranadharanat Jivaha. So Jiva, who is reflecting in the Buddhi, that is Pratibimba Chaitanyam, who is reflecting in the Buddhi, is what Jivaha married to someone, got children, and so many other things, attracted to all Vitta, Putra, Putri, Pautra, all stars like attracted to and has forgotten Kutastha Chaitanyam. Jiva Chaitanyam is Satyam or Mithya? Vyavaharika Satyam. Vyavaharika Satyam. So Vyavaharikam, as long as it is Satyam, Vyavaharika Pratibimba Chaitanyam, Jiva is Satyam, and the Jivanika Sambandhamana problems ellame samsara also Satyam. Vyavaharika Satyam. Just as the dream fire, dreamer saw the dream fire. And the dream fire is real. That dream fire burns him or not? Afflicts him or not? It afflicts. Dream fire afflicts the dreamer. Dream fire is Satyam, dream fire afflicts him. Similarly, Vyavaharika Jivaniki, Vyavaharika Satyam, Vyavaharika Jiva, Vyavahara, Samsara Vyavahara is Satyam. It afflicts or not? Afflicts. Unless he makes that Vyavaharika Satyam is Mithya, it afflicts. Unless this dreamer wake up, that fire, dream fire, running behind him. Similarly, this Vyavaharika Jiva, as long as he takes Vyavaharika Satyam as Satyam, samsara continues, Janana, Marana, all problems chase him. That is why Dukkham. Vyavaharika Satyam is Vyavaharika Satyam, natu Paramarthika Satyam. When you can recognize. Swapna you recognize unreal. When you wake up. Vyavaharika Satyam is Mithya, you recognize when you wake up to Kutasthas Chaitanya Paramarthika Satyam. If you wake up by studying Panchadashi. If you don't study Panchadashi, you can never wake up to your Kutastha Chaitanya. Shastra gives a guarantee. You can never wake up without studying Panchadashi. Panchadashi or any Bhagavad Gita or Upanishads. Impossible. Kutastha Jiva Chaitanyam, Jiva Chaitanyam. Jiva Chaitanyam is Vyavaharika Satyam. It is Mithya. As long as you take this Vyavaharika Satyam, you are in Vyavahara, it is real. Dukkha also real. Janana Marana also real. Punarapi Janana, Punarapi Marana. Whereas Tatha Jivena Kutasthaha Saha anyonya adhyasa uchyate. Anyonya adhyasa means mutual superimposition. Anyonya means mutual. Adhyasa means superimposition. This jiva is superimposed upon Kutastha. Jiva, the Pratibimbita Chaitanyam, which is not at all real, but it is superimposed upon Kutastha Chaitanyam, which is Adhara Chaitanyam. Kutastha Chaitanyam is Adhara Chaitanyam, upon which Buddhistha Pratibimba Chaitanyam is Abhasa Chaitanyam, reflecting Chaitanyam. Both are together. Anyonya adhyasa, because of their proximity, because of their intimacy, we lose sight of that Kutastha Chaitanyam. We take this Jiva Pratibimbita Chaitanyam, we are uttering Pratibimbita Chaitanyam. Can it be real? Pratibimbita Chaitanyam, who is known as Jiva, is Satyam or Mithya? Pratibimbita annale Mithya. But here Satyam edukrom. I am Jiva, I have birth, I have death. Pratibimbita Chaitanyam varum pohum. Kutastha Chaitanyam nirvikarena tishtati. Pratibimbita Chaitanyam, as long as that buddhi, subtle body, refined matter is there, Pratibimba is formed. Refined matter, refined water, transparent water. Inga refined matter? Buddhi, Antakaranam, Sukshma Sariram. 19 faculties put together, big package. And the package full of Chit Pratibimbita Chaitanyam. Because of that Pratibimba, Jiva, Ahankara, Nan, Yar, Mithya, all. And going, running after that, I am so and so, my son, my daughter, fighting, tagarar pandra. So these are all mithya na enna pannanum ipo vare vali. I am Adhara Kutastha Chaitanyam eva. I can never be Jiva who is Chit Pratibimbakaha. I am not that. That is my glory. That is my vibhuti. So therefore, life is wonderful or miserable. If you know that you are Kutasthaha, life is wonderful. This Jivatvam cannot disturb you. It is a drama, sport. If you do not know this, Jiva is Pratibimbita Chaitanyam, Mithya, Abhasa Chaitanyam. If you take it as real, even though it is Vyavaharika Satyam, it is not Paramarthikam. If you take it as real, life is miserable. You are converting the wonderful, beautiful life into a miserable life because of sheer ignorance. There is nothing wrong to enjoy the Pratibimba. Nothing wrong. You enjoy by knowing. Knowingly, if you enjoy, it is a sport. Unknowingly, if you hold on to that, it is misery. It is a tragedy. It is a tragedy. Life is wonderful. For whom? For Panchadashi students, I hope. Next shloka. I am Jivo na Kutastham.
I am Jivo na Kutastham.
Vivinakti kadachana.
Vivinakti kadachana.
Anadira vivekoyam.
Anadira vivekoyam.
Mula vidyeti gamyatam.
Mula vidyeti gamyatam.
Chidabhasa is Vyavaharika Satyam. Chidabhasa is equal to Jiva. Therefore, Jiva is Vyavaharika Satyam. Ajnanat Satya Anrita Midhuni Karanam Eva Adhyasaha. Adhyasa Bhashyam Brahma Sutra, Acharya writes elaborately. What do you mean by Adhyasa? Anyonya Adhyasa. Superimposition mutually means nothing but real and unreal mix. Mix up and mess up. What are those two? Real Kutastha and unreal Jiva. Our Atma ki Shanti Anayattam. Yaar Atma ki Shanti. And the Jivanaka Shanti Vedu. Are Jivane illappa. Yaar Shanti. So Ajnana irikkanavarakku and the Jivana Satyamo Satyam. That's what he says. How the samsara na idida parango. Ayam Jivaha Kutastham na Vivinakti Kadachana. Ayam Jivaha, this Pratibimba Chaitanyam called Jivaha. This Pratibimba Chaitanyam Jivaha, Ayam Jivaha Kutastham na Vivinakti, never decipher, distinct, separate. Vivinakti means which dhatu. Vivinakti means never separate. Lat, 7th conjugation. Which dhatu? 7th conjugation. Parasmaipada. Lat na Vivinakti. Kadachana. Janma janmas. Even that teacher is teaching from 18 years. They are managing to claim they are Jiva. That's what Kadachana. How much the teacher break, shouting, crow, madri kattinde irka. ஒரு நாளாவது நான் ஜீவன் இல்லை சுவாமினி, நான் கூட்டஸ்தன் தான் சொல்லக்கூடாதோ? சொல்லவே மாட்டா. கதாச்சன. Not you people, somebody. Kadachana Kutastham na Vivinakti. I am the Kutastha. I am only reflecting as Jiva. Jiva is Vyavaharika Satyam. I am Paramarthika Satyam. That is my only reflection. Like that sparrow pecking the mirror. It looks at the reflection and go on pecking. And the dog also looks at the mirror, reflects and bow and it barks. Is it necessary? Well, the dog to bark at that its reflection? Is it necessary to that sparrow to peck its reflection? Sparrow has to recognize it's my reflection. How I am looking so beautiful, no? Appadha sollana sparrow. Dog also must say like that only. Dog cannot say, sparrow cannot say. I, the Jiva, has to recognize. I need not fight. I am Kutastham. Jiva is my reflection. How beautifully I am playing my role. How beautifully I am enjoying. How beautifully I am suffering. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi